Good morning, class 9 student. Welcome back to our online classes of Small Wonder Secondary School. As you all know that I am your science teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta Pawar, and today I am going to teach you the last part of chapter Natural Resources. So student, take your book and take one pencil with you. So mark underline the important points. Alright. So in our previous class, we discussed about the nitrogen cycle, which is very important, and the nitrogen cycle gives the long question for your examination. So read nitrogen cycle very carefully. If you are not watching the previous class, first you watch the previous session. Alright, and today I am going to teach you about the nitrogen cycle, global warming, oxygen cycle and ozone layer. So first we discuss about the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle refers as the process in which carbon is existing among the biotic and abiotic components of the earth. Okay, so how carbon जो है वो biotic और abiotic components में move करता है. Alright, do you know in every biotic और abiotic components में जो common factor is a carbon. Okay, each and every things में क्या present होता है? Carbon. Alright student, so what is the importance of the carbon? Carbon can be found on earth as carbon dioxide gas, carbonate and hydrocarbon in minerals form. Carbon is present in all life form in protein, fat, vitamins, carbohydrates, and everything. Okay, all these substance having a carbon atom. Alright. The internal skeleton means endoskeleton, means the skeleton which is present inside the body is called endoskeleton, and external skeleton which is present outside the body is called exoskeleton. In the animal is all made up of the carbon salt. Alright student, so human body is also made up with the carbon. Okay, and plants convert carbon into the glucose and during the photosynthesis, because carbon in the process of photosynthesis plant utilize the carbon. Alright student, so remember that what is the importance of the carbon. Alright, now this is the carbon cycle. Okay, look at this picture. In this atmospheric carbon dioxide is converted by the organic components by the plants, and after the death of the plants or by the millions of years they are buried into the earth inside, they convert into the coal or in the petroleum or other organic components which is used by the animals. They also use their plant product and make the inorganic carbonic shell around their body. Okay, so respiration and decomposition, they always again convert the carbon to the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mix in the water in the form of carbonate, and which is used by the limestone animals. Alright, so these all are the living or abiotic components which interact with the carbon dioxide gas. Alright, so carbon is found in various form on the earth. It's occurred in the element form as diamond and graphite. Underline, it occurs in the elemental form in diamond and graphite. In the combined state, it is found in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere or as carbonate and hydrocarbonate salt in various minerals. Well, all life form on the basis of carbon containing molecule like protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, nucleic acids, all having a carbon. Alright. The endoskeleton and exoskeleton is also formed by the carbonate salt, and carbon is the incorrupted into life form through the basic process photosynthesis. You all know that. The process of converting carbon dioxide to atmosphere or dissolve in water into glucose molecule. These glucose molecule is either converted into other substance or used to provide energy to synthesize other biological important molecule. Okay, so we all know that plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, or during the photosynthesis carbon dioxide gas is used by the plant and they make their food food is in the form of glucose. Alright student, so carbon dioxide is very useful to synthesize food for the plants and also for their energy. Alright, the utilization of glucose is provide energy to living thing. We all know that as a food is a fuel for our body. Whenever we are using the food, it converts into the energy and our body doing the activities. Alright, living things involve the process of respiration in which oxygen may be used and convert glucose into the carbon dioxide. Okay, we all know that whenever we are taking in oxygen gas, the oxygen gas mix with the glucose and combine with the glucose and convert glucose into the carbon dioxide, water, and give us energy. Energy we use for our daily activity, and carbon dioxide gas is thrown out by the nose. Alright, so the carbon dioxide goes back to the atmosphere, and another process of adding carbon dioxide is the process of combustion. Whenever the fossil fuel is burned, okay, if we burn the petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, any of the substance, if we burn, they provide us energy and they give atmosphere the carbon dioxide gas. Whenever we heating, cooking, transporting or industrialization process. In fact, the percentage of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is said to have doubled since the industrial revolution and human will start burning fossil fuel. Okay, पहले तो हमारे यहाँ पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के नंबर बहुत डिक्रीज थे, बट nowadays population and pollution is increases, so the number of carbon dioxide gases increases day by day, and now the carbon dioxide is double from the earth's surface. Alright, so carbon like water is thus cycled repeatedly, and not only the land, also in the water carbon is also found, okay, through the different way of various physical and natural activities. How carbon is released back to the atmosphere? By the respiration and by the process of combustion. Now, what is the effect of increasing of the carbon dioxide? Okay, so we all know about the greenhouse effect. Okay, so first we discussed what is greenhouse. It is a house-like structure made by a transparent material such as glass, and this provides plant with the appropriate environment that supports their growth, especially in the cold region. This is possible because the greenhouse trap the heat inside it and prevent it to go out. Alright student, so what is the greenhouse? Is a house like structure जो transparent glass का बना होता है और sun की heat को ये prevent करता है. Okay, at the cold region where the proper atmosphere नहीं मिलने की वजह से plants cannot grow properly. So plants की proper growth के लिए they needed a proper sunlight. So the greenhouse collect the sunlight and do not go throw back at the night, so their temperature is maintained during the day and at the night, so plants grow properly. Alright, so main purpose of making greenhouse to develop the proper growth of the green plants. Alright students, so what is the greenhouse effect? Okay, so several gases of the present on the earth atmosphere which prevent the heat entering to atmosphere from moving out it. When the amount of these gases increases in the atmosphere, the temperature of earth rises. Okay, similarly like a greenhouse, जिस तरीके से greenhouse सन की रेज को ट्रैप करता है और नाइट में उसे रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होने से रोकता है और उसके टेम्परेचर को इंक्रीज रखता है रेदर देन आउटर एटमॉस्फेयर. तो सिमिलरली हमारी अर्थ के चारों तरफ भी बहुत सारी एटमॉस्फेरिक गैसेस प्रेजेंट है विच ट्रैप द सनलाइट एंड नाइट के समय जो लाइट आती है उससे रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होने से वो रोक लेती है, प्रिवेंट करती है, एंड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट द अर्थ टेम्परेचर इज राइजेस. ओके, और अर्थ एकदम कूल डाउन नहीं होती है लाइक अ मून. ओके, तो नाइट के समय में भी हमारी अर्थ का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहता है, बट नाउअडेज द नंबर ऑफ द गैसेस इंक्रीजेस, so they are trapped more amount of sunlight. Alright, so the temperature of earth continuously rising, क्योंकि ज़्यादा अमाउंट में गैसेस है तो वो ज़्यादा अमाउंट में सन रेज को ट्रैप कर रही है और इसकी वजह से अर्थ का टेम्परेचर कंटिन्यूसली क्या होता जा रहा है, राइज होता जा रहा है. ओके, सो दिस लीड्स टू several problem like increasing of sea level because the glacier is continuously melting, जिससे कि sea level क्या हो रहा है, increase हो रहा है. The land amount is decrease down, means coastal region जो हो रहे हैं वो submerged होते जा रहे हैं inside the sea water. So this whole phenomena is termed as the greenhouse effect. Okay, so what is which gases play the important role for the greenhouse? The greenhouse, the gases that cause greenhouse effect is called greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone. All right, and global warming. Okay, because the greenhouse gases, global warming is occurs. The phenomena in which the average temperature of Earth is increases due to the presence of greenhouse gases we call global warming. All right, look at this picture. The sun, solar energy of sun passes through the earth. Okay, sun की rays earth पर आ रही है. Some energies reflect back into the surface. Okay, जैसे ही वो earth की surface से टकराती है कुछ light क्या होती है, reflect back हो जाती है. The surface of earth is heated the sun and radiant and heat back into the space. And greenhouse gases trap this air. Okay, जो ये reflect back हो रही थी rays, उन्हें कौन trap कर रहा है, यहाँ पर present greenhouse gases. All right. So these gases are good for us because they maintain the temperature of Earth, but nowadays they are increasing, so they create global warming. Alright. What is the harmful effect of greenhouse effect? Increasing the average temperature of Earth. Okay, क्योंकि greenhouse gases increasing day by day, so increasing the global temperature, which can several effect of biodiversity of the Earth. Increasing the temperature of ocean. Okay, many aquatic animal cannot survive with hot water because the temperature is very high. Weather condition, many part of the country where is extreme hot and some part is extremely cold. Climate due to increasing of earth temperature, as a result some places receive very heavy rain and other face drought. Okay, warms winter, the winter season may place of the earth is decreased due to global warming. And infertility land, many irrigational area become infertile by the change of the weather condition of the place. Therefore, the agriculture pattern and availability of food of all the world is changed. Alright. Also effect on the because some animals grow in the reproduction done in the season of the winter, but the winter season is short period of the time. So their migration and habitation is also affected, and this lead to extinction of the many of the species. Some of the animal cannot survive in the extreme hot region and they become extinct. Flooding of the Iceland and coastal region, because the continuously sea level increases, so many of the areas where the melting of ice cap has resulted in increasing the sea level, all which is the reason of the flooding on the Iceland and coastal area. Now global warming also spread the many of the disease like heart disease, respiration, eye irritation all over the world. Okay, so the global warming leads some infection disease, cholera, malaria, dengue and different type of diseases. Alright, so these all are the harmful effect of the global warming. Now what is oxygen cycle? Okay, so oxygen cycle that maintain the amount of oxygen. Okay, so this is the atmosphere of oxygen. Okay, whenever we are respire, we give carbon dioxide and water, and by the process of photosynthesis plant use carbon dioxide, which is breathed out by the animals, are used by the plants, and plants convert the carbon dioxide into the oxygen. Okay, or by the process of photosynthesis glucose is made. Glucose is used by the plants, and oxygen is animals, and oxygen is also used by the animals, and they convert into the carbon dioxide and water. Very simple oxygen cycle. What is the importance of oxygen? You all know about that. Oxygen is present on the 21% on the earth's surface, and it is found in the earth crust as oxide in metal and minerals. Okay, inside में किस form में मिलेगी? ये metals के oxide के form में. It is found in combined form with the carbon dioxide. Carbon के साथ में भी ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल कंबाइंड फॉर्म में मिलते हैं एंड बायोलॉजिकली इट्स फाउंड इन प्रोटीन, न्यूक्लिक एसिड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट्स. ओके, सो इन सब्सटेंस में भी क्या प्रेजेंट होती है? ऑक्सीजन. ऑलराइट, ऑक्सीजन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन 3 प्रोसेस. कंबंशन यानी किसी भी चीज के बर्निंग के लिए किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है? ऑक्सीजन. ओके, you know about a simple experiment. Whenever we burn the candle and we put a glass on the candle, after some time the candle is blow off due to the reason because no oxygen supply is occur. Okay, so oxygen is very necessary to combustion of the any of the substance. And the second, animal whenever they respire they use oxygen and convert the glucose into carbon dioxide and water. Alright student, and formation of nitrogen oxide. Okay, whenever the oxide is formed, when any of the substance react with the oxygen they form the oxide. Okay, यानी जब भी ऑक्सीजन किसी भी सब्सटेंस के साथ रिएक्शन करती है then they make oxide. So they are very useful to form nitrogen oxide. Alright, oxygen is returned back by the process of photosynthesis. Alright, that is why it is very important to grow more and more plants so the amount of the oxygen can be returned back to the atmosphere, because the photosynthesis is the only process की जिससे ऑक्सीजन गैस बनती है. Alright, now what is ozone layer? The upper layer of atmosphere of earth is covered by the gas of ozone, means O3. Okay, so these gas is poisonous in nature but it does not affect the life as it is found far away from the biosphere. क्योंकि ये अर्थ सरफेस से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है इसलिए ये हार्मफुल इफेक्ट नहीं डालती है. ओके, सो ओजोन लेयर इज एक्ट एज द शेल्टर इन प्रिवेंटिंग हार्मफुल UV रेज फ्रॉम द सन रीचेज ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. दैट्स व्हाई इट अलाउ द सर्वाइवल ऑफ लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ. ओजोन लेयर क्या करती है? सन से आने वाली हार्मफुल UV रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करती है और उसे अर्थ सरफेस पर आने से रोकती है. ओके, सो लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. दिस इज द सनलाइट एब्जॉर्ब, दिस इज द ओजोन लेयर एंड प्रोटेक्ट द UV रेज. ओके, बट कंटिन्यूअसली CFC गैस डिक्रीज द ओजोन लेयर. ऑलराइट, it has been discovered that ozone layer is getting depleted from the earth atmosphere. A hole in the ozone layer has been found in Antarctica region. Reason? Because CFC gas is in the atmosphere which is released by the refrigerator, aerosol, foams and different solvents. Okay, so this chlorine and fluorine present of these on to react with the ozone layer and form the complex component. As a result the ozone layer is depleted. If the ozone layer is depleted, the UV rays of the sun would under the earth atmosphere and which could lead several effects such as increasing the risk of the skin cancer, damaging of eyes, weakness in the immune system, skin allergy, decaying of the growth of plant and animal and breakdown of natural carbon cycle. ओके, तो अगर ओजोन लेयर इसी तरीके से डिप्लीट होती रही तो हमें बहुत सारी स्किन डिसऑर्डर्स हो सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द ऑक्सीजन साइकिल. ऑलराइट, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन को रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू यूज करके वी कन्वर्ट इनटू द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर एंड ओनली अ सिंगल प्रोसेस विच द ऑक्सीजन वी गेट अगेन बैक विच इज द फोटोसिंथेसिस. Okay, so oxygen from the atmosphere is used up by the 3 process: combustion, respiration and oxides of nitrogen. Okay, and oxygen is returned to atmosphere by only one major process is photosynthesis. Alright student, so we usually think the oxygen is being necessary for the life process of respiration, or it may be interested to you to learn that some form of the life, especially bacteria, are poisonous by element oxygen. In fact, even the process of nitrogen fixation by bacteria does not take place in the presence of oxygen. Okay, so ozone layer, we all know that this elemental oxygen is normally found in the form of dimetic molecule. However, in the upper reaches the atmosphere, a molecule containing 3 atoms of oxygen is found. It ozone, and this is called ozone O3. Unlike the normal diatomic means two atom, O2 means diatom. Molecule is oxygen. Ozone is poisonous, and we are lucky that not stable near to the earth's surface is ozone present. But it performs essential function. It absorbs harmful radiation from the sun and prevent the radiation reaches from the earth's surface. Recently it is discovered the ozone layer is getting depleted by the CFC gases. In the CFC, carbon compound having the both fluorine and chlorine, very stable and not degrade any biological, were found in the prestige in the atmosphere. Once they reaches ozone layer and they react with the ozone molecule, they reduce the ozone layer, and recently have discovered the hole in the ozone layer of Antarctica. Okay, in the October 1980, in the October 1985 and October 1990. Okay, so satellite picture showing the hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica. Alright student, so Earth, if the ozone layer depletes further, but many people think that it would be better not to take chances. These people advocate working towards stopping all further damage to ozone layer. Alright student, so this is your chapter number 14 completed. I hope this is a very interesting chapter and very easy, and you clearly understand this topic, and read your chapter very carefully, because I again and again repeat you, this is a very important for final examination. You got 17 marks from this chapter, and notes and question answer will provide to you on every Friday in the form of PDF. Alright students, so read this chapter and write down notes and question answer both of you in your notebook. Thank you.